the peculiarities of industrial growth. A series of changes affected the patterns of industrialization in India by the first decade of the 20th century. People started boycotting foreign goods as soon as the Swadeshi movement gained momentum. At the same time, the government was pressurized by the industrial groups to protect their collective interests by increasing tariff and grant other concessions. The Chinese market was flooded with the products from the Chinese and Japanese mills, which ultimately declined the export of Indian yarn to China from 1906. With the start of the First World War, British mills got engaged in supplying goods to the army. Thus, Manchester imports into India declined. This gave a golden opportunity to the Indian industries to boom. After the war was over, British industries got a setback. The economy of Britain crumbled after the war. In India, however, the local industrialists gradually consolidated their position and gained success in capturing the home market.